My feelings is hurt, y'all. I feel like just crying like a big baby right now. Oh my God. I do not have any money to get a washing machine. So when we got home, my son put it was some clothes already in the washing machine here. And when we stepped in the house, I was like, oh my God, they're gonna know it's again. We stepped in the house and we just heard this humming noise, and it was real, real loud. And I'm like, what the heck is that? And I always got a cabinet back open. And the washing machine, we got all of our clothes. We had to take all of the clothes out of there. Because and we got heck of clothes right here on the floor because we have to wash, but my washing machine is broke. Let me see. It ain't gonna make he unplugged it, but it got heck of water in there, so it's broke, y'all, and I gotta try to find some way to get it fixed. And honey, so let me tell you, the little lady, I just got off the phone with her. She's talking about that it's gonna cost $69. What is that? It's gonna cost $69 for them to come fix not for them to come fix it. She said it was gonna cost $69 for them to come out to look at the machine. And if they give me a price, quote the price, and I like the price, then they're not going to charge me the extra $69. I'm like, girl, that don't make no sense to me. Because I'm like, I said, hey, let me get this understood. You feel me? I said, so you're going to charge me $69 to come look at it, and then you're going to tell me what's wrong with it. And then if I say, okay, you guys can fix it. I said, but what if you tell me $300, $400, $500 that my pockets don't have? You feel me? Then what? Well, you have to pay the $69 because we came out and looked at it. Baby, when you go to a hospital or something like that, honey, they bill somebody else. You can't bill me. I'm like, oh gosh. So I told her, like, honey, no. Just tell me what's wrong with it and I'll fix it myself. I'm the mechanic, you feel me? I'll fix it myself, honey. I'll put a doohickey. Look, y'all listen. We put Vaseline on everything. You feel me? Old school. Put Vaseline on it and a Band-Aid. It'll be all right. So, y'all, I don't have no way of getting this doggone machine fixed. So, but it's okay. It's okay. Life happens. Things happen. So, I'm going to just have to walk to the washing machine place or whatever to wash my clothes. But I don't know, child. But I don't, like, we heard this when I came in the kitchen and sat down and I was getting ready to open up the bags to do the food, show y'all what we got or whatever. I just heard this and I'm like, what is that noise? Because it scared me, but it's okay. I mean, I'm not sad about it. I'm kind of like disappointed. Well, am I disappointed? I'm not disappointed. I'm more like, dang, my machine. You feel me? That's how I am. I'm like, dang, my washing machine. You feel me? Because every woman needs her washing machine. You know what I mean? Everybody needs a washing machine. You got children and stuff like that. It's going to be raining soon and stuff. And they could not pick a better time to doggone go out on me in the rain. So hopefully it's fixable. If it's fixable, then I will definitely try to get it fixed. So hopefully I can find somebody to tell me what is going on with it. And if not, then I'm going to have to buy me a whole new washing machine. One day. One day. Not now. One day. I'm going to have to save up for maybe 6 years for a washing machine. Oh my God, child. But yeah, one day I'll have to get a washing machine, or I'll just have to go to the doggone laundromat when I can. Oh, Lord, the life of, oh no, honey, jeez. But it's cool. Still smiling. All right, y'all. So I will see y'all in the next video. Dang.